Go. Hello, Sophia.
Hello.
What time of year is this?
December?
December what?
December 16th,
What year?
2012.
Is it the Christmas season?
Yes!
Yes. Where's your beautiful mother?
Here's Tiffany.
What's her name?
Tiffany.
Tiffanini?
We call it.
Okay, Boo. Let's do this.
Okay, put Tiffany in a good spot.
How am I gonna put her up?
I don't know. Okay, Mama, ready? Wait, Tiffany doesn't have a good view.
It's not gonna happen.
Sure.
Okay, so you see that top branch? That's where you have to get that.
Put this one.
You think you can do it?
No.
Okay. Okay. You think you can reach?
No.
How about now?
Maybe.
Almost? Almost? Good?
I got it. And
Got it?
almost.
Okay, not too far. Not too
Is that good?
Okay, let's see. How's that, Papi?
I'm filming. I can't tell.
I think it's great. Yeah. Maybe we'll have to just bend it, but the symbolism of putting the angel, it's just good. I think this is heavy. Sophia, bring me some scissors.
Hi, Mommy.
I know where I could get some.
Don't run with scissors, sweetie.
I won't.
Hi, Mommy.